Hello, good morning, guys. Last day of the trip. We all are ready. So this is where we are traveling to Warichora. So everyone in the marshal, let's say to Warichora. Where is everyone? Warichora ready?
Yes, ready.
Last day of the trip.
Yeah, we are all ready.
There is our pilot there. This is what we are traveling in.
Okay, I'll do one. Ready?
So guys, we all are ready inside the marshal. There is our local hero and guide. And this is our pilot. Everyone is behind. Already started the journey towards Warichora, guys. 07012024 is the date. We are traveling in towards Warichora. The road is under construction. I think in another month or two this will be done. So travel will be easy. And yes, we are going to Warichora and Dombewari. These two places we are exploring. It is going to be a long day and long night because we are going back today itself. So let's see how soon we'll be covering the places today. So guys, from Emanbari Market, Emangre Market, we have to go this side. This is Warichora road. The rough road starts from here. Another 1 hour will need. From here we'll be going uphill. See, the road has already started. Adventure has begun for the day. So whatever we have eaten, everything will be digested now. The process has started.
It'll be useful from now.
All the energy reserves. So right now we are going through right the heart of the village of Emangre. One field is there. Keep going up. Today is Sunday. I think lots of homestays are here in and around this village as well. So we'll be traveling up now to the village. Looks like a homestay there. Many bikes are parked. Going to be a good day. The sun is out. You can see the jungle route has started already, guys. And luckily our savior, the marshal, is here. The 4x4. So we are traveling quite comfortably in these rough roads. Not much of an issue, but we just started, but I've realized without 4x4 it's going to be a task coming to this road towards Warichora. It is mandatory to have a 4x4. So guys, see how we have to travel towards Warichora. This is, guys, again, don't think of this as bad roads. Think of this as an adventure, because once you come out, this is going to be a different kind of experience. This off-roading experience. This adds to the whole feel of traveling towards Warichora. You'll take back lots of memories. So guys, right now we are traveling deep through the wilderness. As you can see, thick forests everywhere. And we are the only people making noise, breaking the silence of the forest, going through. Such an experience this is. You see, this is what happens when you come to the wilderness. Wow, man. Each turning, we are seeing different kind of scenery. Sometimes we are able to see these hills on one side opening. Sometimes we are going directly through the heart of the forest. What a trouble this is. See guys, we have black peppers here growing in the tree like pan. Those are black pepper plantations with the trees. My local people guide from here, they are telling me Gulmoris, the black pepper grows quite well here in this area. Nasong wholesale kaya ma inunikon? Oh, direct. So this, see, black peppers everywhere guys in the trees. Can't stop right now because we have to go to Warichora, otherwise we'd have given you a close view of the black pepper plantation. So right now guys, we are passing through this deep forest in South Garo Hills towards Warichora. What a route it is. Let's see this. Nice. The forest, the reserve forest has started now. From ahead. You can see how the road is there. See, thick forests are already here now. Again, black pepper plantations they have done. See in the trees. Everywhere you see Gulmoris, black peppers in the trees. So guys, we are deep in the reserve forest now. You can see how the roads are. It looks like a jungle safari. So when you come to Warichora, you'll have an experience of a jungle safari as well. You never know, you might see some elephants, some tigers. You never know if you're lucky or unlucky, I don't know. Somewhere in the forest of South Garo Hills, still traveling towards Warichora. Maybe another 40 minutes drive is there through this thick forest of South Garo Hills. So guys, we have to take this diversion from here so that Zumbewari don't get lost in the jungle. You have seen the signage where you have to travel, so you follow that. The locals have put up that so that you don't get lost in this thick forest of Garo Hills. Then maybe you'll never be found here again. Steep down to climb now. Our marshal is doing the job for us. Right through the jungle. They are saying that the local villagers do used to come for picnics here, but only in the daytime guys. Night time, as you can see, it is right in between the jungle. Animals come here. You do not want to take that risk. Elephants are there and so many other wild animals are here. So you don't want to become the prey of the animals here. Come enjoy in the daytime and go back within the timelines that nature sets, that is the sunset. And don't try to mingle with the animal and jingle. Otherwise you will become Kringle. So some water here. See, this is the beauty of jungles. See, it is right in the winter. It should be dry, but because it is thick jungles, water. While coming back, we'll go there, Dombe Wari. Now we are headed to the main destination, that is Wari Chora. So the wild buffaloes are also found lots here, he's saying. By evening also, if we are lucky, we never know, we might spot the white buffalo. So let's see what's there in our store for us. So guys, this is a very steep down. We are going in the 4x4. You can see almost 60 degrees. But yes, the marshal is holding up and taking us through softly to the jungle route. Now we are still traveling by the marshal. Again, it's some reserve. So we are reaching Rickman Gray. Oh, wow, more where? See guys, we have to go through this road now. The 4x4 is ready. One more?
Oh my word.
Yara?
Ya có thể chế phang anh ấy xem cũng có chuyên kẻ đúng không? Đang sửa ta.
So we have reached Rickman Gray on the way to Wari Chora. So guys, almost reaching Wari Chora now for the track. Not reaching, we have to track. We are reaching the track spot where we'll have to park the vehicle and go down towards Wari Chora.
Who discovered this place?
This was known in ancient times, but those days, no, those people who came, no, they were saying those who were those Kerala guys and this one, no, they were the first ones to come along with that Shillong guy, no. They read Bisongan may batata chimkon ba? So guys, finally I think we'll have Wari Chora to ourselves only. Today is a Sunday. The parking place has come. If we are lucky, we'll have a good time to ourselves only. Everywhere we have been going solo. No vehicles are here, that's why we are saying. So guys, finally we are here. Do's and do nots, I'll just show you. Do's and don'ts are put up on Wari Chora.